Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable After Effects audio waveform import for synced visuals. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe After Effects on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing one. Import your audio file by navigating to the File menu. Select Import and then File. Locate your audio file and click Open. Right-click on the audio layer in the timeline. Choose Keyframe Assistant from the context menu. Select Convert Audio to Keyframes. A new layer called Audio Amplitude will appear in your timeline. This layer contains keyframes that correspond to the audio levels. Expand the Audio Amplitude layer by clicking the arrow next to it. You will see three properties, both channels, left channel, and right channel. For synced visuals, use either the both channels or the individual channel of your choice. Select the channel you want to visualize. Go to the Effects panel and find the Waveform effect. Drag the Waveform effect onto a new solid layer. In the Effect Controls panel, set the path to the keyframe data from the Audio Amplitude layer. Adjust the height and width settings to customize your waveform. You can also change the color for better visual appeal. Animate or position the waveform as needed in your composition. Preview your project to see the audio waveform synced with the audio. Make any necessary adjustments for a perfect match. Once satisfied, render your composition for the final output. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.